Dear AI Tans, this week's Smart Delivery Insight focuses on Learn AI before it learns your job. Every workplace is changing, and AI is becoming a part of our everyday work. The question isn't whether AI will be used, it's whether you will know how to use it effectively. AI isn't here to replace your expertise. It's here to help you work smarter. It can summarize long documents, draft emails, organize information, generate ideas, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on problem-solving, creativity, and decision-making. The key is simple. Make AI a part of your daily workflow. Before starting a task, ask yourself, can AI help me do this faster or better? Spend just a few minutes each day exploring a new prompt, testing a new use case, or learning a new AI capability. Those small improvements add up, making you more productive, more efficient, and more confident in your work. The future belongs to people who know how to combine their skills with AI. Don't wait for change to catch up with you. Start using AI every day and let it become your productivity partner.